Ever wondered if you can leave the airport during a layover and explore a new city? Well, today, I will share some tips on how to make the most out of your layover. Let's dive right in. Domestic layovers. So, can you leave the airport during a domestic layover? The answer is yes. You can totally explore, since you're staying in the same country, no extra paperwork needed. Most airports will handle your checked luggage for you, so you don't have to drag your bags around. That means you're free to explore with just your carry-on. Just make sure it has all your essentials, like your wallet, ID, phone, and maybe an extra set of clothes if you have a long layover. International layovers. Now, let's talk about international layovers. Generally, yes, you can leave the airport, but there are a few things you should keep in mind. First, you might need a visa. Some countries require you to have one even if you're just leaving the airport for a couple of hours. In fact, some airports even offer special transit visas that you can get right there. But there are times when it's not a good idea to leave, like if your layover is too short, the city center is too far away, or you risk getting stuck in traffic. Also, during the pandemic, some countries have stricter rules about exiting the airport. Always double-check before you head out. Tips for planning a layover trip. Okay, so you've decided you want to explore during your layover. Here are some tips to make sure your trip goes smoothly. Research your layover duration. If it's less than 5 hours, I'd recommend staying at the airport. You don't want to miss your flight because of long security lines or traffic. Plan your transport. Check how far the airport is from the city and figure out how you'll get there, train, bus, or taxi, so you don't waste time. Store your luggage. If you have a connecting flight, the airport will handle your checked luggage. For everything else, use a carry-on backpack, like the Dinictus 40L travel laptop backpack. It's super handy and has compartments for everything you might need. Research activities. Know in advance where you want to go and what you want to do. This way, you won't waste time figuring it out on the spot. Grab snacks. Pack some quick snacks to keep you fueled, so you don't waste time sitting down for a meal. Think granola bars or a wrap. Bonus tip. Some airports offer guided layover tours. Check if yours does. Abu Dhabi, Istanbul, and Seoul are a few that offer this service. Reasons you might not be able to leave. Sometimes, leaving the airport isn't an option. Here's why. Your layover is too short. Anything less than 5 hours might be cutting it too close. Paperwork issues. Some countries require a visa even for a short exit. Don't risk it if you're unsure. Pandemic restrictions. Some countries may still have restrictions due to COVID-19. Make sure to check before you plan your layover adventure. Things to do if you can't leave. Stuck in the airport? No problem, you can. 1. Chill in an airport lounge. It's a great spot to relax, use Wi-Fi, and have some snacks. 2. Check out duty-free shops. You might find some great deals. 3. Stream a movie, find a cozy spot, grab a coffee, and catch up on your favorite shows. 4. Try airport dining. Some airports have amazing food options. 5. Explore airport activities. Did you know San Francisco Airport offers yoga classes? Yeah, that's a thing. So, there you have it. Layovers don't have to be boring. Whether you're exploring a new city or chilling at the airport, there's always something to do. Don't forget to check out my video on what happens if I don't show up for a flight for more travel tips. Safe travels, and see you on your next adventure.